Hello and welcome to the next video here of this Fiverr course. In this video, I just want to show you how to make more than $5 per order. In the previous video, in the introductory video, I showed you that there are something called gig extras where you could charge more than $5 on the order. And this gig extras is something similar to upsells. So it's just like buying if you order something at McDonald's and they ask you if you want fries with that. So that's what gig extras is like. When you're a new seller, you're allowed to charge up to an extra $20 for that, and you're allowed 2 gig extras. And now, as you get more experience, when you graduate to level 1, you could charge up to $40. This information is available on fiverr.com/levels. Okay, so when you go up to level 2, you could charge up to $50 and you get 5 gig extras. And then finally, when you get to a top rated seller, you could charge up to $100 per uh, gig extra. And it shows you the criteria that you have to meet to get or to move up to each of these levels. Now, another way to get more than $5 per order is through something called custom offers, which is mentioned right here. And if you click on that, you're brought to this page. But basically, when you're a new seller, you could send custom offers up to $325. And then when you move up, you could charge up to $1,500 when you move up to the higher levels. Okay, so basically, what is a custom offer? A custom offer may be something that's not on available for the gig descriptions on the Fiverr.com page. It could be a highly customized offer for your customers, and there are a couple ways you can send custom offers. One could be through responding to an email. If one of your customers is asking you about a service they would like and it doesn't really fit any of your descriptions, you could send them a custom offer that way. Another way is just to use it anywhere. For example, if you have a website, you could just embed or place a custom offer button on your website for that. Okay, and there's an example here. Someone's offering to create a mobile app. Uh, their price is $200. Okay, so basically, what I'm going to do now in the next video, I'm going to show you some ways you can make with Fiverr that are sort of out of the box. Okay, so with that said, I'll see you in the next video.